Now, under halogenation, say propane is subjected to halogenation. Okay. Now, this is primary carbon, this is secondary carbon, this is again primary carbon. Secondary means this carbon is attached to two other. Primary means this carbon is attached to only one other. Same way this is attached to only one other. So this is primary, this is secondary, this is primary. Now when you are subjecting it to chlorination, the first hydrogen which will be replaced is the secondary hydrogen. Okay. So the order of replacement of hydrogen of alkane is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Okay. Now supposing if I take this, now you are having hydrogen attached to primary carbon, hydrogen attached to secondary carbon, hydrogen attached to tertiary carbon. Now this carbon is tertiary because it is attached to 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now which will get substituted first? It will be this hydrogen that will be substituted. So when you subject this to chlorination, you will get this hydrogen substituted by chlorine. Okay. So you will get this as a product. Right? You have to remember this. The order of replacement of hydrogen of alkane is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Okay. सबसे पहले कौन सा हाइड्रोजन सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा? अगर टर्शरी कार्बन उस मॉलिक्यूल में है तो टर्शरी कार्बन के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच्ड है वही सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा. Is that clear? Now same way here, सेकेंडरी कार्बन के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन है वो सबसे पहले सब्स्टिट्यूट हुआ. उसके बाद बाकी भी सब्स्टिट्यूट हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. बट सबसे पहले एक ही सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा. राइट. सेम वे हियर, सबसे पहले टर्शरी सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्जन यू कैन डू. प्रोपेन को क्लोरिनेट किया. Now chlorine has come at the second position. Now if you subject this to alcoholic KOH, then one hydrogen from here and Cl will get released as HCl. So you will get the corresponding alkene, and this alkene can be hydrogenated and you will get propane back. Right? Same way if you consider this butane, then you have two secondary carbon atoms. So any one will be substituted. Any one of the carbon, the hydrogen attached to carbon will be substituted by chlorine. So you'll get 2-chlorobutane. And if this is subjected to alcoholic KOH, you know, according to Zaitsev rule, symmetrical alkene will be formed. So but2ene is formed. So if I'm asking you, how will you convert butane to butene, but2ene? Then you will have to go like this. Is that clear? If I'm asking you, how will you convert propane to propene? Then you can adopt this particular step. First you chlorinate it and then subject it to beta elimination. You will get propene. Right? Like that you have nitration and sulfonation also. In the case of nitration, HNO3 is added. Now HNO3 will be in the form of OH and NO2. So this hydrogen will be replaced by NO2 group. So you will get nitromethane. Again here also, the order of reactivity, which hydrogen will be substituted first, means again here also it is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. So supposing you are having like this is tertiary carbon, this hydrogen will be substituted first. There may be hydrogen here also, is it not? But these hydrogen atoms will not be substituted. Only this hydrogen will be substituted first. So you will get a nitro group in this place. Same way, sulfonation. In the case of sulfonation, SO3H group is attached. Now this will be in the form of OH minus HSO3 positive or SO3H positive. So one hydrogen will be substituted by this SO3H group. So you'll have ethane sulfonic acid. Okay. So anyway, nitration and sulfonation of alkanes is not of that much of importance right now for you. You need to know halogenation very, very clearly. That is very, very important. Okay.